Assalamu alaikum all of you. This is the fourth lesson based on sequence and series. Outline of this lesson is harmonic sequence, harmonic mean and the practice question related to these concepts. First, harmonic progression or harmonic sequence is simply concept. The reciprocal of arithmetic mean is called harmonic progression. Like the example is 1 2 3 4 5 up to so on. We just reciprocal these term like 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 4 up to so on. That sequence is called harmonic sequence. The key point of the harmonic progression is any sequence of arithmetic progression is shifted into the harmonic progression if it does not contain 0, because if we divide the 0 with any number we are finding the infinity terms. So that's why in harmonic progression we always avoid the 0 term in arithmetic progression, so that we are shifted the arithmetic progression into the harmonic progression. So the next term, nth term formula, we are just simply reciprocal the arithmetic nth term formula, we are shifted into the harmonic nth term formula. We are having a 4 part in this formula. A nth term, first term, number of terms are the reference position term and the common difference. So a sequence is harmonic progression when each term is the harmonic mean of the neighboring terms. So the first example is find the 17th term of the given sequence is 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 10, 1 by 13, 1 by 16 up to so on. For the solution purpose, we firstly shift the harmonic mean into the arithmetic sequence, then finding the 17th term of the given sequence. Same like a1 is equal to the 4, n is equal to the 17. We are finding the common difference between two consecutive terms. So 10 minus 1 is equal to the 3. So we are using the explicit rule for the arithmetic progression. We can finding the a17th is 52. When we are talking about the harmonic sequence, we are just reciprocal this term. So the 17th term in harmonic sequence is 1 by 52. Now the next example is in the harmonic progression 1 by 7, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 10, 1 by 13 up to so on, which term has the value of 3 by 4. So for this purpose we shift the harmonic progression into the arithmetic progression, then the progression will be the 4, 7, 10, 13 up to so on. So the first term is 4, n is missing value, so common difference is 3 and an is equal to 304. We are using the formula an is equal to a1 plus and n minus 1 into d. We are replacing the values and finding the n is 101. So 304 is one of 1/1th term of the harmonic sequence. Now harmonic mean, this is the same concept related to the arithmetic mean. So if we are finding the arithmetic mean between a and b in harmonic sequence, we just reciprocal these terms, then applying the formula of arithmetic mean and find the formula for the harmonic mean. We are just replace a with 1 by a plus b with 1 by b, and we get the answer is a plus b divided by 2ab. So this formula will be the harmonic mean between two numbers. Now the example finding the harmonic mean, like the arithmetic mean between 4 and 24, we are having a is equal to 4, b is equal to 24. We are replacing the values in the harmonic mean formula. We get the answer is 48 by 7. So these are the practice question for yourself which you are learned from these videos. You can practice these questions. If you have any query related to these questions, you can ask freely in comment section. Thank you for watching.